Hello and welcome back NH fam. Today we're back with some new audition info from the K-pop world. Yes, that's right. JYP is currently holding its audition process. However, there are two types of auditions that are currently going on. So we're going to break down each individually. So let's get started. But before I get into it, do like, share and subscribe to the Namaste Hali YouTube channel for more updates like this. So, number 1. JYP Entertainment is currently holding their JYP boy group global auditions. The base qualification from the name itself is you do need to be a male applicant and the age criteria is you need to be born from 2008 to 2016 regardless of nationality. So, how do you apply? There are two primary phases for the JYP global auditions, which is number 1 online and number 2 offline. But a slight difference is that you can only go for round 2 if you have qualified for round 1. The first step is the online process. And how do you get into that? You basically need to apply via the JYP Auditions website, which we'll be linking in the description box below. And the primary media that they want from you is number 1, 2 videos, which is 1 an introduction video and number 2 your actual performance video based on what you are auditioning for. So the main audition categories are vocals, rap, modeling and dancing. So for your performance video, if you are applying for the vocals or rap category, you basically need to be shooting it in the upper body shot where your full body does not need to be seen, just the frame that I am currently sitting in. Any background music or MR is not allowed in your audition tape. Number 2 is your dance or modeling. So in dance, full body shot makes sense. So a full body shot needs to be done displaying your dance, or if you're for modeling, then you need to be doing a walk with various kinds of poses in various styles to see how you would fit and where would you fit. And for dance, you can dance to any genre, as in you can freestyle, do an original work or even do a cover performance. Your face needs to be clear at all times. No masks, no filters, no nothing. So for the introduction and the performance video, both your videos have to individually be less than 50 MB. If they so happen to be a little bigger than that, you can upload your audition video to YouTube and you can share that same link in the application. However, do make sure it is unlisted or public. Also, alongside these videos, you will need to give a photo of yourself and the photo has to be an upper body photo. Same rules apply, no filtering, no editing, and it has to be facing forward. So as I mentioned before, there will be 2 rounds for this audition process, and because of that, there are offline cities that you need to audition for the second round. The offline audition is mandatory if you have passed the first round. During the application process, there will be an option where you need to choose your preferred city for the offline audition. So what you need to do is basically choose the city which is closest to you. And after all of this is done, you can submit it. But once you have submitted your application, you cannot re-edit, change anything about it. Now comes round 2. Once you have been selected, you will get an email. Only the selected participants will be getting an email with all the information regarding the dates, location and schedule in general. However, if you remember, we talked about the location thing. Even if you don't reside in the city, you still need to give an offline audition in your preferred city, which is the closest to your current place of residence. So, in case you want to change that city, then all you need to do is reply to that same acceptance mail with your preferred city of choice, with your updated city of choice, basically. So, these are the cities where the offline auditions will take place and the corresponding dates accordingly: Sydney, Melbourne, and lastly Seoul. When will you get to know that you have passed each round? So for round 1, you will get to know within 2 weeks of your audition if you have passed that round. And once you go from round 1 to round 2, after you've given your round 2, you will get to know your results 3 weeks after the Seoul audition has been conducted. For more details, you can always refer to the JYP audition website. Now, we're going on to the next set of auditions which are currently going on in JYP Entertainment, which is the second JYP monthly auditions. As opposed to the global auditions, this audition is only taking place for 1 day in Seoul at this location from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. and after 4 p.m. entry will not be allowed. Also, the major difference between the global audition and this audition is that there is no gender restriction. Both boys and girls can audition. However, the age criteria is still the same, which is from 2008 to 2016 borns are allowed to audition. And the audition categories are vocal, rap, acting, dancing and modeling. And how do you apply? You can apply by a walk-in registration. However, make sure that you reach before 4 o'clock, because after 4 o'clock you will not be able to register. So here are a few things to keep in mind for this audition though. Number 1, you do need to bring an ID. Number 2, you can only apply for one category. Number 3, you need to have any device which is connected to the internet, because you will have to fill an online registration. However, that online registration will happen on site. Applicants under the age of 14 for Korean nationality, whereas 16 for foreign nationality, need to have their own email IDs prepared and not that of a parent, so that they can proceed with the identity verification and the parental consent. All dance applicants must prepare a YouTube URL of their dance music on their own mobile phones. No MP3 files, no prepared downloaded things. A YouTube URL needs to be prepared. And also, you can apply as a team. And that's all you need to know for the JYP auditions which are currently going on. If you have any doubts, do leave them in the comments below and we'd be happy to answer them for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the Namaste Hallyu YouTube channel for more updates like these, and we'll see you all next time.